Here is progress on my drone project. I'm working on the web interface so that I can be able to access it over remote connection. Here is the web interface. You can see arm, disarm, refresh, start camera, stop camera, capture. So we can start by arming it. Stop, disarm, you can see, arm, disarm. So this is battery voltage, altitude. I'm still working on this one. The mode of flight is stabilizer. There is no GPS because we are indoor. And there is active log. We have armed, disarmed. Those are the command I'm sending over web. We can try camera, start the camera, start camera. Yes, you can see I am live now. We can take picture. Yes, and I can see right here photo captured. Yes, and yeah, yes, we can stop the live feed. Yes, then we can go over to see the pictures. These are the active logs on my terminal, my Raspberry Pi terminal. Then here is the pictures. Let's view it. Here we go. Yeah, so that's how things are right now.